Take a plastic bottle and cut it half. Here's a cardboard. Roll it and stick it using the sellotape. Make sure you stick it properly as it should not get opened. Take the half part of the bottle and insert the cardboard inside it. Make another small roll of the cardboard as done before. Stick this too. Place the small cardboard inside the big one. Add some stones inside it so that it will not change its position. Take some white cement and add water in it. Make a thick consistency of batter. Pour the cement mixture into the cardboard. Let it dry overnight. Remove the stones. Remove the cardboard from the bottle. Slowly start demolding it. You can color it or leave it as it is. I prefer coloring it. I have given light green color to it. coloring the whole pot, let it dry. I have colored the edges with dark green color. Place some flowers and our vase is ready.